Hey all, Matt Long, Realtor here. Another open house. Today we're in the village of Belle Aire, the village of Valdosta. Check out this. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa. It was built in 2000. And for those of you who've seen some of the villas in this area, or if you wanted to take a look at them, some of the evolution that there has been with these courtyard villas. We'll actually start here in the kitchen. One of the big things is the kitchen that they've done different in the villas from 2000 on, especially these 2-yard courtyard villas. They're a little wider and they're a little deeper, and the kitchen isn't a galleyway kitchen, whereas you see this now, we have the pantry areas here next to where the refrigerator is, and your cabinets here. We have a peninsula instead of having the galleyway. All right, we'll head on out to the garage. Again, there's a 1-car garage. Some have figured out with smaller cars that they can situate a golf cart in the back. And I wouldn't say the average person would be able to do that, but if you have a small compact car, sometimes you fit more in your garage. All right, as we head out here, we see the other side of this peninsula has a breakfast overreach, and we have our traditional dining area with the patio just to the outside. Nice open living area. From there, off to the left here, it takes us into the small hallway where the guest bathroom and guest bedroom are. A nice sized linen closet just off the main living area, and guest bathroom with walk-in shower. Not a ton of bathtubs here in the villages. And this is the guest bedroom. Pretty standard size guest bedroom for the area. And we have a sliding door closet there. Heading back out into the main living area, as you head through to the master bedroom, the main bedroom rather. Still working on that verbiage. It is now considered main bedroom is the verbiage. We'll get there. See here, has its own ensuite bathroom as well as walk-in closet. Open this up here, and this is a good sized walk-in. It is large enough if you wanted to put in like California build-ins in there as well. We head on into the in-suite bathroom. And then right around the corner, we have a walk-in shower here. The one thing that makes these so popular, these villas, is the courtyard. So whereas the others just have the patio and a small area on the side, this has the courtyard out back. There's beautiful xeriscaped all around the patio and courtyard. So there is no lawn maintenance. There is some, as you can see here, some ornamental shrubbery lot of the shrubbery, though, ornamental, you'll see here in Florida is usually a little bit more lower maintenance, and the more mature the plant is, a little longer it'll last. If you have any questions about this wonderful listing or any others, you can give me a call at 352-403-3730. Online at mattlongrealtor.com. As you know, everywhere on social media at Matt Long Realtor. So be sure to like, subscribe, heart, thumbs up, emoji, share it. Make sure you turn on the little bell so you get all the updates as well. Whatever I can do to help you out, let me know.